Hey, we're going to do a step-by-step how to draw Sven from Frozen 2. Okay, so I made this video earlier. I don't know why it didn't turn out. I already have it drawn. I'll let you see that at the end. But for now, we're going to just go ahead and draw real quick here so you can see how to do it. I want you to draw a circle here at the top. And then you're going to kind of draw a line like this. And then a line like this. There. That's his muzzle. Oh no, that's his eyes. And you're going to draw another circle over here in the front. A smaller one. And then you're going to connect those like this. Kind of like a Tigger face. But it's not Tigger at all. Okay, so then you've got that. Hopefully this thing's recording. I really hope. We're going to put in his muzzle first. So see this circle here. You're just going to take it, bring it around, and down. And then of course he's got this little curve here for his lip. And then he's got another one. It's a smaller one. It's his lower lip. It comes back like this. And bring down his jaw. Oh, first of all, this has got to come up and around like this. And you're going to bring it all the way up. He's got a smile. A goofy smile, but he's got a smile. Then you bring this line down here. You're making his jaw. And what you want to do is just bring that all the way up like that. There you go. So there's his face. Sort of. I'm just erasing these lines so you can see it. They're still there. Okay, now you put in right here on this circle right here. You bring this down here like this and you're going to make a beam. That's his nose. Actually more like that. And then I already have his nose in over here, so you're not seeing all of it there. So you bring this line around here. And you got another line that comes up here like this. It connects to this line that's coming down. And you bring that up. Okay? After you do that, you make his eyebrow. And his eyebrow looks like this. Sven's eyebrows are what makes him Sven. There's one. Same thing on the other side. Go down like this. Like that. And you make him put in his other eye. Comes all the way down to this thing here and kind of goes down like this. Like that. Bring this down, and then he's got this floofy cheek that comes out here like this. And then you put in his eyes. They're like an almond shape. It's the third video I've made of him. And you just draw this in like that. These are his eyelids. He's like, I'm tired. Where's Kristoff? So there's his eyes. I'm not going to darken this in because I'm going to show you the finished product already. So then you bring this up here, his forehead. You bring it all the way around. And then you have his ear, which comes out here like this. Make a D out of it. And once you've done that, you go like this. You bring this around like an S and connects it, making his inside of his ear. Like, and then he's got this big fluffy cheek that comes around here like this. You connect it to his jaw, so you bring it down like this, and then his chest with these lines like that, and his backbone comes off there, like so. And put another line right here, by the way. This is his bone. And he's got these little kind of like Bambi hair looking things here that come up like this. Spiky looking things. And then his antlers are going to come up like this. Like this. And these are going to go off the page. So just take them up off the page. Same thing over here. Forgot his other ear. His ear comes off of his eyebrow here. And you just kind of bring it out here like this. D shape. And then you bring it just like that. And then his other antlers, they come up, well, first we'll do this one. This big one that comes up like this. And it comes down like that. And then you go like this. Little baby one. And it looks like that. And just smiley thing here. And when you're done, since I've already drawn them 2, 3, 4 times, when you color him in, he will look like this. Don't forget to sign your artwork. Sign it, and what I like to do is date it. You can even write down some name like I did here. But that's a quicker version. I don't know why the other version didn't turn out. I hope this one does. And I will be posting this on YouTube for you to follow along and how to draw Sven. I learned this from Michael Woodside, he's a Disney artist. He was on Instagram. So, good luck. Thanks.